Yeah.
Nothing over here.
Come on.
It's just deer, lots of deer. We threw the
They're
book
in
at
there.
them. We tried the owl hooting. We tried the call with the box call. We tried the gobble tube. The door's open.
Must be no turkeys there. Horrible place.
Well, we saw some tracks and whatnot in the mud, but that was about it.
They're there. No doubt in my mind. Okay. Well, I know where he's at. I even know the tree he's in.
I think we're looking at the other end of him.
This is what I want.
He's flying down. He's facing us. His head is white.
Don't move anymore. Are the other ones still up? In the tree?
As far as I know, yeah.
Wow, that's surprising.
He's coming.
Okay. No movement. Slowly. Alright, cover your ears.
What do you think? Almost halfway to us.
chase. They're all flying on. Are those cows?
They all flew away, didn't
Yeah. Oh yeah.
they? They headed for the hills.